Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Microsoft Edge errors such as download was blocked, virus detected, or no permission while downloading files in your Microsoft Edge. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to try registry fix. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type regedit and then click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the registry editor, you will have to collapse the registry so that it is in this order. Now, before you make any registry changes, please make sure you follow the steps accurately. So just in case if you make incorrect registry entries, there are chances that your computer may not function properly. Now, once you have this registry editor in this structure, you will have to locate HKey local machine, expand HKey local machine and look for software, expand software. Under software, you will have to look for Microsoft, expand Microsoft. Under Microsoft, look for Windows. It would be in alphabetical order. Once you locate Windows, expand Windows. Under Windows, you will have to locate for current version, expand current version, and then locate for policies, expand policies and look for attachment. Once you have highlighted attachments, on the right hand side, you will see an option which says scan with antivirus. All you have to do is you will have to do a right click, click on modify and change the value to 1 and then click on OK. Once this is done, you may close registry editor, restart your computer and then try to download the files in Microsoft Edge and check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step is to go ahead and reset and update Microsoft Edge on your computer. To do this, you will have to open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you have Microsoft Edge open, to reset Microsoft Edge, you will have to click on the settings at the top right corner. You can click on the 3 dotted lines and then click on settings. Once you're on these settings, you will have to look for reset settings and then click on reset settings to their default values and then click on reset. Once this is done, when you're on this window, also make sure you have the latest version of Microsoft Edge. There are 2 ways to do it. You can click on the 3 dotted lines at the top right corner and then click on help and feedback. Under help and feedback, you will have to click on about Microsoft Edge. Now here you would have an option to download and check for the Microsoft Edge. Make sure you have the latest version of Microsoft Edge, or you would see in case if it is not to the latest version, you would see an option which says Microsoft Edge is not up to date. You can go ahead and check for the updates and install those updates. Close Microsoft Edge, restart it and then try to download and see if that issue. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and disable antivirus and firewall temporarily. To do this, you can go to the search window and type control. Once you have the best match for the control panel, click on it. If you're on the category view, click on the top right corner and make sure you're on the small icons or large icons view so that you can view Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. On the left hand side, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Now here you may go ahead and turn off the Windows Firewall temporarily by clicking the option which says turn off Windows Firewall for both private and public network. Click on OK. Once this is done, you may try to launch Microsoft Edge and check if you are able to download the files. In case if you are able to download the files, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to make sure you have full permission for your temporary folder. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type temp and then click on OK. It will take you to the temporary folder. Now in the Explorer bar, you will have to go ahead and click on Windows so that it takes you one path back. And in this, you will have to locate for temp. You can do a right click and then click on properties. If you're not able to locate properties, you may click on show more option and then click on properties. Click on the security tab and then click on advanced. Under advanced, click on change. Here you may go ahead and choose the user group. So you can give the user group as everyone. Click on check names. Click on OK. You can check the box which says replace owner, subcontainers and object. Click on apply and then click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Close this window, restart your computer and try to launch Microsoft Edge and check if you are able to download the file. Now all this steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.